Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify accessibility in design reviews using Lighthouse, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the website you want to test. Ensure you have Google Chrome installed. Open the Chrome Developer Tools by right-clicking on the page and selecting Inspect. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or Command+Option+I on Mac. Once the developer tools are open, locate the Lighthouse tab. If you don't see the Lighthouse tab, expand the Developer Tools panel. Now, click the Lighthouse tab to access its features. In the Lighthouse panel, choose the types of audits you want to run. Select Accessibility from the available options. You can also select other categories if desired, such as Performance or Best Practices. Next, decide whether to run the audit for a mobile or desktop view. Select either mobile or desktop from the options provided. Once you've made your selections, click the Generate Report button. The audit will begin and may take a few moments. Once the report is generated, you will see a summary of accessibility issues. Review the scores for accessibility, with a score ranging from 0 to 100. Scroll down to see a detailed list of issues detected by Lighthouse. Each issue will be categorized and include a description. Take note of the specific recommendations provided for each issue. Use this information to inform your design reviews and adjustments. You can download the report as a JSON file or HTML for further analysis. If you prefer, you can also share the report directly with your team. Regularly running Lighthouse audits can help maintain accessibility standards in your designs. Implement changes based on the audit results in your design process. Consider integrating Lighthouse checks into your development workflow for continuous feedback. This approach will ensure your designs remain accessible to all users. Stay updated on accessibility standards and best practices as they evolve. Lighthouse can streamline the process of ensuring your designs meet these standards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.